Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete an old Facebook account that you cannot access. So if you're trying to delete your old Facebook account but cannot log in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the guide to remove your old profile. So the first one, you can just reset your Facebook password if you still have access to the email or phone. You can just try resetting your password. You can go to the Facebook login page. So you can just here type in facebook.com/login. Okay, so now what you need to do is just tap on forgotten password, and in here you can just enter the mobile number or email address linked to your old account. And after that, you can just follow the reset instructions sent to your email or phone. And once login, you can just here go to settings. So let's just open Facebook. Let's say I've already have access, so you can just go to settings in here and go to the account center, this one, and then you can just tap on the personal details and click on this account ownership and control, and there will be this option deactivations or deletions. So you can just tap on delete account. Let's say I'm going to delete this one. You can just tap on this delete account and tap on continue, and after that your account will be permanently deleted. And the second one, you can also report the old account as impersonation. If you don't have access to the old account, you can report it as an imposter and request Facebook to remove it. And again, you can just go to the profile of the account that you want to delete. Let's say this is my old account, let's say. So you can just click on the three dots menu, and there will be the options to find support or report profile. You can just choose pretending to be someone as the result and submit the report and wait for Facebook review. And Facebook may delete the account if they verify it's inactive or fake. So that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.